The only two things in life that make it worth living is guitars that tune good and firm feeling women. I don't need my name in the marquee lights. I got my song, got you with me tonight. Supposed to be that way. You're supposed to know I love you. It don't matter.
What?
Dr. Ann Coburn to see you, sir.
Does she look dangerous?
So here you are.
You shouldn't be here.
You shouldn't be here. You should be lying in a hospital bed. What are you doing? What is it? Let me see. Look at me. You look terrible.
I'm fine.
Wow. Were you robbed as well?
Eh? Oh, no, that was always... That's very funny.
No, it's not.
You think that's appropriate after what I've been through?
It's very inappropriate. And I'm sorry, Tom. I'm gonna go. You need to get some rest. Can I get you anything before I leave? Do you want a cup
I'd
of
like you
tea?
to stay here. Tonight. Please.
It don't matter.